Hello everyone. Excel is very much helpful in solving matrix also. Suppose you want to multiply two matrix, we have multiplication function of matrix. If you want to calculate determinant, that means the value of a matrix, you can calculate determinant also. Similarly, if you want to calculate inverse of a matrix, you can calculate inverse of a matrix using the Excel function. That means Excel function is helpful in multiplication of two matrices. Excel function is helpful to calculate determinant of a matrix, as well as Excel function is very much helpful in calculate inverse also. First of all, we will discuss the multiplication. Now you will see, suppose we have two matrices, that is matrix A, and this is what matrix B. I want to multiply these two matrices. Now, if you will see, the order of the first matrix is 3 by 3. And the order of second matrix is 3 by 2. So, if you will see the number of column of first matrix and number of rows of first matrix, both are same. That means multiplication is possible. And the output of this matrix is number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of second matrix is the order of output matrix. That is what? 3 by 2. That is why I am going to select the area of 3 by 2. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. Then I will press equals to and type MMULT. MMULT, that means matrix multiplication function. It's required for as first argument is that array 1. So I will select the array 1. Then comma for next argument, and I will select the next array, that is array 2, and just close the bracket and enter. Before entering, you have to remember one thing, you have to press Ctrl and Shift key together. Control and Shift key together, then entered. You will get the multiplication of two matrix. This is the output of A into B. Now we will repeat it again. If you will see, the order of matrix M is what? 4 by 2. That means 4 rows and 2 columns. And the order of N matrix, that is what? 2 by 3. So the number of rows, number of column of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix, both are same. That means multiplication is possible. And the output is what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. That means number of row of first matrix and number of columns of second matrix is the order of output matrix. Now what we will do, I will select the area of 4 by 3, then I will press equals to MMULT. I will select the first array, comma, I will select the second array, then press Ctrl and Shift key, then enter. You will find a multiplication. So this is all about the multiplication of two matrices, and we will calculate, we will find it using Excel function. Now the second is what? When we want to calculate the determinant of a matrix. So determinant is basically a value of a matrix. Here we have matrix A, and the order of this matrix is what? 3 by 3. And we have another matrix, matrix B, the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Remember one thing, we always calculate a determinant of a matrix of only square matrix. We cannot calculate determinant of a matrix of a rectangular matrix. Only square matrix have determinant, right? So how we'll calculate the value of a matrix? That means determinant of matrix A, determinant of matrix B. It is very simple, equals to M determ. The function is what? M determ. You will select the array and just simple close the bracket and enter. You will find the determinant of a matrix A. Now again, we have another example. That is what? We have 2 by 2 matrix. We are going to calculate determinant of it. Just press equals to M determ, just select the array and close the bracket and enter. You will find the determinant of a matrix. And determinant is what? Value of a matrix. Another function, that is what? M inverse. When you want to calculate inverse of a matrix, that means we have matrix A, and matrix A is 3 by 3 matrix. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. And I want to calculate 1 divided by matrix A. 1 divided by A, that means A inverse. And because of it is 3 by 3 matrix, in that case, the inverse is also 3 by 3 matrix. If you have a matrix of 2 by 2, inverse is also 2 by 2 matrix. So first of all, we are going to find the A inverse. What you will do? You will select the 3 by 3 dimension because of your matrix is 3 by 3, and just press equals to, and M inverse function is what? M inverse. Select the array. Again, because of we have to fill all the cells, that is what? 3 by 3, you have to press Control and Shift both, Control key and Shift key, then you just press enter. You will find the inverse of a matrix A. Now, if you want to calculate inverse of a matrix B, how you will calculate? Again, just select the 2 by 2 because of our matrix is 2 by 2 equals to M inverse. Just select the array, press Control Shift, then enter. You will find the inverse of matrix B. So it is all about the matrix function. In matrix function, we discuss what? M multiplication, determinant, and inverse. So M mult, M determ, and M inverse are the function in Excel to find the multiplication of a two matrix or calculate determinant of a matrix and inverse of a matrix.